So today we are going to again start with business standard news. The news is from the capital gain tax regime needs to be tweaked. Government, as per the Tarun Bajaj, who is the revenue secretary, he is saying that the problem is when we rationalize it, some investors would be losers and some would be gainers. That is difficult part. Saying that there must be some change is required for the capital gain, which is capped to the 30% of the total asset that you are going to gain. Modi, as per the Modi statement, he is saying that BJP will win all five post-bound states. Some of the indexes shown by the RBI governor. So we can see these inflation, CPI inflation, exchange rate, current account, and credit growth is there. Quick review on the COVID virus tracker report. We are seeing that total number of count has been increased and it is increasing day by day. The last day it was around 71,365 new cases added in that, and the recovery is also good, but the 1217 death count has been increased and the vaccination rate is also increased. So we are seeing that the numbers in the vaccination are increasing with the increase of death counts, and the total rate of is little bit low as compared to the previous last days. I already told that market is little bit bearish in nature now, and we have seen that because of the Ukraine and the Russia tension and the involvement of British and NATO with the US in on the one side, the market is going towards the little bit bearish. Good news coming from nasal spray market. It's good news for the pharma industry. And Glenmark is a very big firm which is producing this kind of sprays for the ease of nozzle in infections, and this market is getting boom day by day. In the business world, Express Bees raises around 300 million to become the 8th unicorn of 2020-22, and we are seeing the list of these unicorns, and this is a Pune based firm, logistics startup Express Bee. Good news for the mobile users because Airtel is going to increase the tariff plans. Look on the Tata Power's net profit jumps to 72% in quarter 3 2022, and the Nika profits drops to 59% on year basis to around 28 crore in December quarter. On this political financial news, the capex funding plan gets flack from non-BJP states. The 1 trillion allocation to the state by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman for capex spending in 2020-23 has drawn criticism from some of the non-BJP ruled states. They are saying that it is a lack of flexibility in the scheme, and we can see that allocation given to the state. This portal called Government e-portal for business approvals of to the brisk start. We can see that the portal is in the testing phase, and getting states on board still a challenge for them. We are seeing that nearly 5 months after its soft launch, the government e-portal, that is National Single Window System, Australian minister to visit India to advance FTA negotiation. So basically, Piyush Goyal, who is a industrial commerce and industrial minister, will have several meetings with Australia's trade, tourism and investment minister Dan Tehan to advance negotiate on the comprehensive economic cooperation agreement, and he's going to visit India for the advanced negotiation on a free trade agreement. News like finance minister is going to address RBI board on 14 Feb. Death hit of UP couple attempt suicide on Facebook Live. Wife dies, and there's over 16,000 died by suicide due to the bankruptcy in 3 years. Government report. Alliance airplane files without engine cover. DGCA starts probe because that taken the flight without the engine cover. So Indian now more moving ahead. India Bulls housing finance Q3 profit falls at around 7.9% to 303 crore. DCB profit declines at around 21.9 to 75 crores in October December. ICAUM, that is asset under management, roses 1 trillion from March September 2020. Jindal Stainless Steel Hisar Limited, we are going to see that there's a financial results are out for this last quarter, third quarter, and we are seeing that there's a very good amount of increase in the profit figures. Previously it was 269.54 crores, and right now they are having around 513.68 crores. From the US Pentagon, the Joe Biden OK's plans to help Americans who wants to flee from Ukraine if Russia is going to strike on Ukraine. So he's agreed that he's going to take out those Americans who will be enmeshed in the Ukraine. There's a news from the for those who are crypto lovers, and the crocodile of Wall Street held in the giant crypto bust. As we know that there is a system breach called Bitfinex system, and now Ia Hitchestian and his wife Heather Morgan, who billed herself as the crocodile of the Wall Street, and Rezel Khan, were detained in the morning by the late afternoon appeared at federal court in Manhattan. The two, who appeared to have had colorful social media account ahead of their arrest, allegedly conspired to launder 1,19,754 bitcoins stolen after a hacker breached Bitfinex system. European scientists prove it's possible to have a near limitless clean power, and they have produced a world record total of 59 megajoules of heat energy from fusion over 5 seconds. Now we can see this sequence how nuclear fusion works. First, hydrogen atoms are heated up, then a fusion reaction, then helium, neutron, and energy released, and neutron energy heats water. So in this way, we can have a limitless clean power and good for the generation of energy. Who is a ace investor, and he is going to pick up the good stake in the DB reality stock. Goes on for the gas distribution company. Companies like IGL, Gujarat Gas, and MGL have seen profit contraction in quarter 3, but volume have improved. Why this is happening? Because the high gas price may present a possible risk in the near term. Fear of supply disruption because of the risk Russia NATO tension are hard to assess the remain a factor. And this news regarding the crypto I have already discussed. So thanks a lot for watching this channel. Keep updated yourself financially. See you soon in the next video.